So I'm doing rod and piston assemblies today, and everybody hates these damn little monsters called wire locks. I don't know how they got such a small piece of wire so damn stiff, but they did. But I made a tool, and I'm not really a tool maker or tool designer, but every once in a while I come up with a pretty good idea. And man, this one is just slick as can be, and I just thought I'd share it. So I made a little mandrel here. Take your wire lock, push it in the mandrel so it just barely sticks out. You tip the tangs in the direction you want them to go in the wire lock groove. You set that on there like that. You have the installation tool. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to do that. Take another piece and just tap a little bit in each direction and help seat the wire in the lock, in the groove. And done deal.